Prepare the room by making sure your walls and floors are even and suitable for supporting the kitchen cabinets. Find the highest point of the floor and mark it on the wall. Don't forget to measure the depth of the cabinet so that you can make sure that the floor underneath it is even. The point you've marked on the wall will be the point from which to measure the correct work height for the kitchen, and will ensure that you won't need to adjust the plinth later. To see if the walls are even, use a spirit level or the rail. If there's a gap, you will need to make the wall even before fixing the rail or the cabinets to the wall. A tri-square comes in handy when making sure the corners have a 90-degree angle. Check the wall in order to make sure it's strong enough to support the kitchen. Use an electric stud finder to find a stud or a beam to fasten your rail onto. Time to draw the layout on the wall. The drawing of your kitchen will tell you where each cabinet should go. Always start from the corner. Also, make sure you have the electricity, water and ventilation connections where you want them. Use the highest point of the floor to mark out the correct height for the lower rail, 82 centimetres. Measure the height for the upper rail, in this case 222 centimetres, because we will use a 220 centimetre high cabinet in this kitchen. These measurements are to the bottom of the rails. Note that some of our open cabinets are not made to be mounted on the rail. Check the assembly instructions to find out how to install them. It's important to have no more than 30 centimetres distance between the screws to secure the bearing capacity of the rail. Make sure you align the rail with the wall studs. Use a flat bottom screw to fix the rail to the wall. Make sure that the screw is correct for your wall material. If you don't know, ask a professional. Make sure the fitting plate that comes with the rail is properly locked onto the screw. It should be horizontal so that you can adjust the height of the rail. As the wall is uneven in this case, we put spacers between the rail and wall. Leave a space of 15 mm between the side of the outer cabinet and the end of the rail. That way, you avoid the risk of the end of the rail being visible behind the outer cabinet when you've finished. And you'll make the electrician happy by leaving a space for kitchen lighting cables if you're putting a cover panel on the cabinet.